Balance your hormones naturally. 7 essential tips. Hey there, and welcome back to Basic Health Journey. Did you know that hormones control almost every function in your body, your metabolism, mood, sleep, energy levels, and even weight? In today's video, we'll be covering 7 essential ways to naturally balance your hormones so you can feel your best every day. Let's dive in. Prioritize protein in every meal. Protein is crucial for hormone production. It helps regulate appetite-controlling hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which prevent overeating and keep your metabolism functioning properly. How to do it? Include 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Good sources include eggs, fish, lean meats, beans, and tofu. If needed, you can supplement with collagen or protein powders. Experiment with different protein sources to find what works best for your body. Reduce processed sugars and refined carbs. Eating too much sugar and refined carbs can lead to insulin resistance, a condition linked to hormonal imbalances, weight gain, and increased risk of diabetes. Over time, excessive sugar intake can disrupt the balance of cortisol and insulin, leading to chronic fatigue and unstable energy levels. How to do it? Replace white bread, sugary snacks, and processed foods with whole grains, vegetables, and natural sweeteners like honey or dates. Reducing processed food intake also lowers inflammation, which plays a role in hormonal dysfunction. Manage stress with relaxation techniques. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and hormone disruption. High cortisol levels over a prolonged period may interfere with reproductive hormones like estrogen and testosterone, affecting fertility and libido. How to do it? Practice meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or yoga for at least 10 minutes daily. Even a short walk in nature can help lower cortisol levels. Engaging in hobbies, socializing, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance also contribute to lower stress levels. Get enough quality sleep. Sleep directly impacts hormone production and regulation, especially hormones like melatonin, cortisol, and growth hormone. Poor sleep disrupts the body's natural rhythm, leading to increased cravings, slow metabolism, and mental fatigue. How to do it? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine, reduce blue light exposure before bed, and create a cool, dark sleep environment. Eat healthy fats for hormone production. Healthy fats are essential for hormone synthesis and help reduce inflammation, which can disrupt hormonal balance. Your body needs these fats to create estrogen, testosterone, and other key hormones. How to do it? Incorporate avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish into your diet. Avoid trans fats and processed oils, which can cause inflammation. Support gut health with fiber and probiotics. Your gut plays a key role in hormone balance, especially in regulating estrogen and insulin levels. A healthy gut microbiome ensures that excess hormones are properly metabolized and eliminated. How to do it? Eat fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, beans, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut to support gut health. Drinking herbal teas like ginger or peppermint can also aid digestion and reduce bloating. Exercise regularly, but avoid overtraining. Exercise helps reduce stress hormones, improve insulin sensitivity, and boost hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. However, overtraining or excessive high-intensity workouts can increase cortisol levels, leading to fatigue and burnout. How to do it? Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days. Walking, yoga, and resistance training provide excellent hormonal support without overstressing the body. And there you have it, 7 essential ways to naturally balance your hormones and improve your overall health. Let's keep building healthy habits together. Stay energized, my friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips.